Hi everybody, today we're going to talk about how to keep your car cleaned with little ones. First thing you're going to want to do is maybe invest in some seat covers. Therefore, when there's spills or messes, you just have to remove the seat cover and launder it rather than having to get out the shampooer and clean it. Make sure you have trash storage in your vehicle. That way everybody knows where to put the trash rather than just leaving it on the floor. If you detect an odor, don't wait a day. You know, in the heat, it can make it worse. Make sure you hunt around for that item that maybe rolled underneath the seat, but you want to remove it right away. Don't let it linger. Keep wipes in the glove box. This way, if you have a little spill, you're able to wipe it up right away. Make sure you're cleaning out your cup holder on a regular basis. If you have drippings in there or debris, a little tip is take a sock and spray some multi-purpose and just clean it out. It'll be easy peasy, I promise. Vacuum your car regularly. Don't wait until there's a bucket of sand in the back to vacuum. Use organizers. I love organizers. I'm one organized mom. Use organizers in the back to keep the kids' crayons, maybe hanging on the back of the seat, maybe an organizer in the back for your grocery bags or other miscellaneous items that you keep in the trunk. Last, have a stain remover handy, and you can even DIY this. You can have a little spray bottle, keep it in your glove box, and it's half baking soda and half vinegar. It'll last forever, even in the heat. I hope this tip helps. If you have any questions, join us on social media. And in the meantime, don't forget to call One Organized Mom for all your cleaning needs.